Okay, so I need to tell you about the gelatin trick, because I was just talking to my sister about how she's been struggling to get her morning routine together. And it got me thinking about how this simple habit has totally transformed my daily life. So, the gelatin trick is basically about incorporating gelatin into your morning routine. And it's been a game changer for me. I add it to my coffee or tea. And it's amazing how it helps me wake up without that sluggish feeling. People often overlook the importance of a consistent daily habit, but trust me, the gelatin trick is worth making a part of yours. My friend started doing it a few months ago, and she's noticed a huge difference in her energy levels throughout the day. Researchers say that gelatin can help with digestion and overall wellness, which is probably why the gelatin trick has been so effective for me. If you're curious about how to make the gelatin trick a part of your daily routine, check out the link in my description for more info. And be sure to take a look at the pinned comment below for some helpful tips to get you started. Now, go give the gelatin trick a try and see how it can boost your morning routine.